Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here with another tutorial video on how to deactivate your Facebook account. So for that, first go to your Facebook account and then go to the upper right corner which has the three lines. Go to your profile, settings and privacy, just click on that, and after that click on these settings. Now go to personal and account information. After that you have that ownership and control, account ownership and control. Just click on that. Click on that second option which is deactivation and deletion. Just click on that deactivate account and continue to account deactivation. And after typing your password, just press continue. And here it will ask you for a reason. So just click on any reason that you like. I'll be choosing the first one, and after that click continue. And here it is asking you to log out, but don't click on that. If you want to deactivate your account, just click on that continue. But if you don't want to reactivate your account within 7 days, just click on that 7 days, and here you have these options: 1 day, 2 day, and I'm just clicking on don't reactivate automatically. So by doing this, your account will not be activated automatically. So after that, click on continue and scroll down and go to deactivate my account. So there guys, deactivating your Facebook account was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.